After countless years of research, Dewalt has given a plethora of drills and equipment to choose from. There are a lot of other brands in the market, but only a few have been able to match this company's level of quality and value. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Dewalt drill. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill. When convenience is what you're looking for in a compact frame, this product should be a top pick for you. This cordless drill runs batteries and can be easily used for most drilling jobs. Dewalt is known for its sturdy design, and this product is no slouch. The drill comes packaged with a decent amount of torque and speed, given its affordable price. It is a 2-speed variation that can be switched as per your need. This compact design makes sure you can carry it around with you to serve your drilling needs anywhere. This drill has a power output of 300 unit watts, which is enough for the battery pack to run for hours. It has a 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck, which makes for a tight grip on the bits. It has the potential to drill up to 13 mm in metals and 30 mm in wood. Supplying up to 450-1500 RPM of speed, the drill can easily perform almost all work around the house. Its lightweight design makes for a very portable design. It comes included with a carrying case, which adds to its mobility. Number 2. Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. This combo kit includes 2 drills, an impact driver, and a cordless drill. It packs a hefty power output in a small design. Not only will this kit be efficient in working on projects, but also on basic carpentry and repairs. It is a very practical kit to have lying around the house. Both drills have an aerodynamic design and include a small LED light for your convenience when the situation gets tough. Their flexibility ensures that you can carry them around with you anywhere you go. The impact driver is recommended for anyone who works with tough materials like hardwood or steel. Both drills have a max output of 300 watts coupled with a 20V battery pack. This makes sure you can drill hard and over a long period of time. It is rated to run at up to 1500 RPM, which makes any low-key drilling job a dream. Number 3. Dewalt 20V Max Impact Driver Kit. The DCF885C1 driver is a very effective tool when you have you drill many screws in quickly. It is one of the top picks for any home improvement job. The driver is lightweight and compact, making it easy to store anywhere around the house. The power output in the product is one of the best in its class, and can be used for various tasks. It can be used on wood and metal or the occasional flat tire change for your car. When it comes to practicality, the drill comes installed with a LED light for those tight, dimly lit situations. Speed is controlled according to the amount of pressure placed. Anyone with basic knowledge of drilling can use this product as its operation is as simple as it gets. The battery pack included with the package is enough to ensure hours of use. The kit also includes a charger case and takes around 30 minutes to fully charge from 0%. For better portability, a traveling case is also included, making sure your new drill will stay protected in the long run. Number 4. Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill. The DCD791D2 is an absolute beast of a drill. It has adequate power, durable, and lasts longer than its competitors. Such traits usually end up being priced higher. However, you will not go wrong with this drill. The drill driver is modeled on brushless motor technology. It has been tested to run 57% longer than its counterparts. They have a lower malfunction rate as they usually do not wear out quickly. The drill is sure to run smoothly and requires less maintenance. The lithium-ion batteries are rated to run for longer hours and are fitted with a battery gauge. The drill has a built-in LED light to assist you in low-light conditions. They are very light and brighter than the previous generations. The product has a high UO of 460, enabling you to complete your tasks as fast as possible. Number 5. Dewalt Electric Drill. The DWD210G is made of a metal gear housing built to last long. It has an average 1200 RPM motor, but is adequate for most household jobs. The drill has a motor of 10 amps. Higher APM means more power output and higher rotational force. It will switch off for 20 minutes if pushed too hard. It is small in size, making it a perfect fit for everyday carry. The materials used in its build are sturdy and durable. It is not cordless, however, which affects its portability a little. It has a motor that delivers quite a punch, making drilling a walk in the park. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.